Martin. Martin. What can we say about Martin? Well, you wear a lot of hoodies. Diba? Pero, she doesn't like you wearing hoodies. Stop wearing hoodies. Laki ng pimple ko. Ako din, marami. Pero, thank you for noticing. Maganda yung suot ko. Kailangan kong kapag dito. Kasi napansin niyo naman. Okay. Bye. Bye-bye. You're a girl. You're a girl. So, ako din ito ah. Ha? Oo. Malay mo. Bye-bye. We love you guys. All of you. Dapat i-compile namin kasi our Econ Martin video vlog. Before Econ. Dapat may team song tayo. Mag-isip kami. Lauren and Trish before Econ. Kasi depends sa team. Sa community college kasi. Sa community, may show sila. So, yan namin in the morning. Tapos tayo. Trish and Lauren before Econ. Pinilan yung Econ. Ayan. I-enjoy ka naman siya. Lauren to Martin. My dad, Todd. Trish and Martin using your iPod. Dali, 1, 2, 3. Trish and Lauren using your iPod. Ano ba tayo? Trish and Lauren using your iPod. 1, 2,